Tim Collum, the TC in Project 253. Welcome to my channel, and I will be your MC for the Wildcard Poker Run Car Show. That's happening August 17th, real soon. Put it on your calendars, be there, and check it out. So this is how it works. Now starting at 9 a.m. is the poker run. You know what a poker run is? You know how that works? If you don't, here it is. Now in the poker run, what you do is you have a list of locations that you're gonna stop. You're gonna cruise around in your sweet ass car. So you're gonna stop at Petch's Orchards, at Cassidy Orchards, Livingstone Brewery, Domaine de Salamandre, and Burger Bob's. Now each one of these stops, you stop and get yourself a card, and then when you get back at the end of the run, you're gonna have 5 cards in your hand. The best hand wins it. Simple enough. Now, once we're all finished up with this poker run, there's a parade. We all get to drive into the show together. A nice long lineup of the sweetest cars. So that parade is gonna start at noon. Make your way to the car show. The route that the parade is gonna follow, right here. Everybody meets up on Industrial Petch. So at 1 o'clock, the car show officially starts. It's gonna be all kinds of crazy stuff going on. The Power Wheels parade, there's gonna be live music all day. Come check out our booth, the Project 253. We're gonna have the Christmas tree light there. We're gonna be testing you guys' reaction times, prizes, trophies for the winner, quickest time of the day. We're gonna have our race cars there, the 240 drift car, which is under construction, the 66 Nova drag car, another cool thing to see, and all the other cars from the crew are gonna be there. The Malibu, the wagon, Jamie's 240, the RX-7. Come check it out, come hang out. Gonna be door prizes all day, whole bunch of cool stuff. So I'm gonna leave you now with some shots from last year's video. This is what we got going on. Come check it out. It's gonna be a great time. Second annual Wildcard Poker Run and Car Show. See you there.
A cop, a road warrior searching for a righteous cause. As the world fell, each of us in our own way was broken. It was hard to know who was more crazy, me or everyone else.